Hello and welcome to the Western Kentucky University Transfer Center tutorials. My name is Beth Pathalski and I will be walking you through using TES today to do a unofficial transfer course evaluation. So we simply need to pull up a new browser tab, type in tes.collegesource.com, click on the login link, enter your username and password. Username is going to be your WKU email address. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. It'll walk you through the steps to reset it, and then you'll come up to the TES landing page. So here we are going to go to Search, Course List Report. This is a way that we can search courses at other institutions when a student brings you unofficial means. So it could be a screenshot of their student record showing what courses they're enrolled in. It could be an unofficial printout. It could be numerous things. But if it's anything that's the unofficial means and we haven't already articulated it into Banner, you can utilize this to get an idea of what the course equivalencies are going to be. So you can add a report. Let's see. I'll use myself. I typically do a student name, or you can do an 800 number and initials. I don't, however you want to do it so that you know what student it is that you're looking for. We're going to create it, and then it's going to come up to the search for the school. So we have to first pick what school you want to add the courses from. So let's say the student went to University of Kansas. And it's going to let us pull up all the data sets that it has for that school. So this is important that you want to choose the catalog term that your student took the course. So let's say the student in fall of 2016 took an accounting course. Let's say they took the fundamentals of financial accounting. You can choose to put your grade in here. If you're working up a GPA or something manually, you can put it in there, but there's no need to actually put it there. But you do need to click here to add the course. You'll see that right back here in the shaded area, you see the date pop up. So it's got the course out there for you. So then if that same semester, let's say they took a basic anthropology course, it added it back here. Then let's say they took a biology course. Get our sciences out of the way early. Let's say they just took the Principles of Biology, Biology 100. We add that, it pops up. And then let's pick one more course because typically you would be taking at least 4 courses. Maybe they took a basic art. I was hoping for kind of like an art appreciation, but maybe they just took Drawing 100. I'm sorry, Art 101, Drawing 1. Add that, pops up in the back. Okay, now we close this screen and we see those courses. But now let's say after that semester, the student took a course somewhere else. Let's say that for summer of 2016, they went to Case TCS. Choose that school, we get their catalog. So once again, we're in summer of 2016. And let's say they took, what's something fun they could take over there? Let's find chemistry. Let's say they took a basic chemistry class. So they took Chem 130. Add that course in. Close that. And then you can continue adding schools. I mean, it's however many schools and courses the kid had over different time periods. Just choose your catalog and in the term in which they took the course. Then once we have all of those entered, we're going to click View Detail. Then it's going to show you the course descriptions for all of those courses that you selected. And we're really interested in the equivalency audit. We click that. It's going to go out, find those courses and any equivalencies that we have on our side at Western. So you'll notice that the Chem 130 has equivalencies for these time periods. Now remember, I was very picky about you picking that time period in that course catalog. That's just so that you have a visual right here of the time period they took it, and you can see over here where that would fall. Well, for us, we haven't had any changes in that course equivalency since fall of 2014. So we know they would get the Chem 109 and the Chem Science Lab placeholder course. But then at the University of Kansas, you see Accounting 200, there's nothing over here. There's no course equivalency for that course. So your best thing to do is to get the student to provide you the syllabus for the term that they took the course. When you get that syllabus, you can email it to transfer@wku.edu and request a TES equivalency evaluation, and we will set up that process in TES for you. We will send it out to the department and try to get a direct equivalency for that course, or at least get it evaluated. Maybe it comes back and it gets some kind of placeholder course, or maybe it gets a direct equivalency. Either way, we would at least have that course evaluated. And if you make sure and get the syllabus for the term in which the student took it, hopefully that course will be caught when we do an audit, when we change the equivalency. But in the event that it doesn't, it's always good to include your student's name and 800 number in the email with the syllabus, so that we can try and make sure that student gets the equivalency. And then you go on down and you'll see that, well, Art 101, same thing, doesn't have one. Get the syllabus. When you get multiple syllabi, if you can make sure that each syllabus is its own PDF, you can send one email and attach the individual PDFs to that one email. But I can't accept a PDF that has 5 different syllabi in one PDF, because they have to go to different departments and we'd have to break that up. So just trying to streamline it, one PDF for each syllabus that you get. But it can be included, more than one syllabus attached in one email, to transfer@wku.edu. So you have the option, you can print this out, or you can export it to Excel. When you export it to Excel, you could then choose to delete these other equivalencies that don't apply because they're outside of the time frame of when your student took the course. And then that is a pretty easy way to do an unofficial transfer evaluation. If you have any questions, please email transfer@wku.edu. I hope this was helpful.